Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Transparent frame glasses are in trend right now, and while for some of us it's just a fashion accessory, for a lot of people who are not blessed with perfect vision, it's pretty much a necessity. And complementing your makeup to suit your glasses might seem as tricky as picking the right frames. So I'm going to share a few tips on how to get your makeup on point and make it last the whole day. Use a tissue to remove any excess oil. To make sure your glasses don't slip, apply a pea-sized amount of an oil-free primer on your nose area. After you finish applying the product on your whole face, just use the residue on your blender or brush and apply it on your nose. To make sure your foundation doesn't stick or smear on your frames, apply it only on the tip of your nose and not the bridge. Make sure you set it well. Since your brows help frame your face, it's equally important to pay attention to them. Make sure they are shaped and fill them in to give them more definition. Frames usually cast a shadow under your eyes, making those dark circles even more prominent. So make sure you conceal them well and set them to avoid any creasing. Since the glasses are going to hide most of your eye area, you want to make sure your eyes pop. Use a highlighter or glitter eyeshadow on the lids and keep the crease neutral so that the color stands out. A winged eyeliner will only lift up your eyes, so go for something dramatic like a thick wing or even a cat eye depending on the shape of your frames. Avoid wearing false lashes as they are going to make your eyes look heavy and distract from the dramatic wing. Curl your lashes to make sure they don't touch the lens of your glasses. If your lashes are naturally curled, then skip this step and move straight to mascara. Too much mascara on the lower lash line will cast a shadow on the lens. Instead, smoke out the lower lash line with a neutral color and apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara. A black kajal is only going to make your eyes look smaller. Instead, line your waterline with a nude or white color to give the illusion of larger eyes. Whether you're wearing them to office or to college, these tips will work for anyone and any kind of glasses. Try them out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't forget to mention them. I'll be more than happy to answer them all. And while you do that, do not forget to check out POPxo shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like wall clocks, sweatshirts, notebooks and so much more. So check the link in the description below and happy shopping. And for more such makeup and skincare tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Beauty.